black body candle. Now a black body candle is something like this. Black body or red candle is the same thing, and it is formed when the opening price is higher than the closing price. Now it means that it's a bearish candle. If it happens on the high, then it is usually a signal of a change in trend. So remember that. And it is considered to be a bearish signal. So it's simple. If it happens on top, let's presume it's a rising trend and it happens on top, then this candle has the ability to drag or change the trend from bullish to bearish, because it's like what I call a devil's candle. So it can completely change to a bearish trend. Once you find a good body red candle, beware, there is a problem. Now, as you would have seen, any day the open is higher and the closing is lower, it's a minus candle. So this is a minus candle. Now we will discuss black body on chart. Now we will look at black body. Now if you remember the chapter on big black body, it's the same thing. The only difference between big black body and black body is big black body is like exceptionally huge, but a black body doesn't mean that it should be huge. It means it should be a medium-sized candlestick with the same characteristics as the big black candle or big black candle body. So if you just look at it, let's say here, it opened at 160.43. It made a small high up 160.74, then went closed at 159.27 and made a small high lower. So this is our black body. Again, just look at it here. It opened at 160.11. It made a high of 160.50, so a small spike up, but closed at 158.67. So it's like black or red, and its low was 158, so there was a spike lower. So when I say black body, I mean red body, because black means a candlestick that closed minus, and red also means the same thing. Now when I say big white body, I mean something that has closed higher. So green means higher. So this is how you will pick it up. Another could be, let's pick this one. It opened at 173.04 and made a small spike up 173.48, closed at 171.34, but made a small spike lower at 171.18 as the low and closed. So this is again black body. Thank you.